What are Fibonacci fans? So Fibonacci fans are trend lines drawn using the Fibonacci ratios. The typical Fibonacci ratios we use are 38.2%, 50% and 61.8%. So let me draw a simple Fibonacci fan for you to explain to you what are Fibonacci fans. So this here was a fall in the market and we draw the Fibonacci ratios here. Now we'll connect the high or the peak of this trend to these points here to get our Fibonacci fans. So here we connect the 61.8%, then we connect the 50%, and then we connect the peak to the 38.2%. These three lines here are the Fibonacci fans. Of course, TradingView has a tool that you can use to create these fans. Let me show you the tool. The Fib Speed Resistance Fan. This is the tool that you can use on TradingView to create the Fibonacci fan directly. All you need to do is, for example, if you see the correction here, all you need to do is select the Fibonacci Speed Resistance Fan, then connect this peak to the trough, and you will get your Fibonacci fans. Now the question is, how do you use Fibonacci fan? Most people will tell you that Fibonacci fans are used as resistance levels and support levels. So in this case, when the price tries to recover, you must find resistance around these levels. For example, you see that the prices fell from the 61.8% fan line, and this happened quite a few times. Then there was some minor resistance around the 0.5 fan line. But in case of the 38.2% fan line, we see that the prices directly went through this resistance level. This, however, is not how I use the Fibonacci fan lines. The best way, according to me, to use the Fibonacci fan lines is for figuring out when the trend is over. So for example, here you see once the price was able to sustain above this 61.8% line, then it essentially went all the way towards the peak of this correction. So what you can do is on the break of this 61.8% fan line, you can go long and you can place a stop loss either at the low here, which you use to create this fan, or you can create a stop loss somewhere around here, an important level from where the prices rallied. And the target for the trade can be the peak that you used to create this Fibonacci fan line. So this, according to me, is a good way to use Fibonacci fan in your trading. Of course, as you can see here where although the prices were able to close above the 61.8% line, but then the prices reversed and came all the way down here. Still, they didn't go below this level here, which was the low you used to create this fan. A simple rule that you can use to handle these situations, my suggestion to you would be to take trades that have a high reward to risk ratio. So employ a reward to risk ratio of say 3:1, and unless you have a reward to risk ratio of 3:1 based on your stop loss and take profit levels, you should not initiate a trade. So that way you can eliminate some such trades. The other way is to make sure that your stop loss is tighter. So if you would have kept a stop loss here, you would have had a limited loss, and you may have been able to re-enter here when the prices break above this fan line. So this is how you can use the Fibonacci fan in your trading. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please remember to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends so they can benefit from what we are sharing. Thank you for logging in.